You guys are not treating me well. You're not helping me. And I don't like it. Don't. Don't I teach you guys Igbo?
Yes.
Don't I?
You do.
I talk to you in Igbo. So why won't you guys learn? You make it look as if I'm not doing anything, but in actual sense, I'm actually working. I'm teaching you. But all the things I'm doing, you're not helping me, you're not learning. It's not fair. It's not fair. I talk to you in Igbo. Sometimes you understand, sometimes you don't. But why won't you call it? Why won't you just take it serious? Okay, do you know this is one of the things as a black person that's gonna make you more unique than your friends. Do you know? Yeah, it is. You've got a second language. You've got where you're from. You've got a culture. You've got a heritage. You got something that, bless you. You got something, bless you. You got something that they don't have. Bless you. You got something they don't have. Whoa, bless you. What is that? Oh yeah, I told you. You did that 4 times. You remember?
Yeah.
Bless you. I know it doesn't mean I'm happy. I'm not happy with you guys. You got something they don't have. You have heritage, you have culture, you have language. But all they know is English. Queen's English, which you speak very well. Then why don't you have your own so that you'll be ahead of them? I need you to top your game. I need you to up your game. I need you to be better than they are. Because in actual sense, you're better than they are. Why are you guys making me not to be happy? I'm so sad. It's not fair.
Really sorry, sir. Really sorry, sir. But we will speak Igbo language. Sorry, sir.
It's not fair. I'm trying. What did you say?
I just did it.
Are you serious? Do. Now I'm happy. Do. That's.
Sorry. Kedu?
Kedu?
Oduna.
Wow! That was happy.
Pronusu.
Huh?
Pronusu.
Bonozo.
It's made out of my way.
Ooh.
And Mmiri is water.
Miri, yeah? No, you're talking, I'm so happy. Are you serious? So what are you? Okay.
Baby.
Wata, that's lovely. Wata is baby, yeah. Mwawani is his daughter. Okay, what's okay?
Boy.
Oh, yeah. Now you guys, aha. Nna.
Nne.
Ne, come on, that's lovely. Do you know what Nna is?
This is for mom and dad.
That was
Mom is
Nna is dad.
And Nne is mother.
Nne is mother. Lovely. Now I'm happy. So why are you guys doing as if you don't know anything at all? But yeah, now you're trying. But you need to be more vibrant. You need to learn more. You need to be more smarter. Okay?
A, B, G, D, F, B, G, B.
That's not the end. Give me.
A, B, G, D, F, B, G, B.
Me. O, O, P, R, C, C, T, U, O. Very
Ma.
easy. Ma. Ma, yeah. That's like a mom, a mother. Yeah. Wow, I'm impressed. That's lovely. You guys really need to learn more, okay?
Okay.
When I teach you, when I talk to you, you will try to learn. If you don't understand, ask me a question. I'll explain to you.
Okay.
Me watagi yenkuru, ijom, oh, ngazagi.
He said if you don't understand what you're saying, that means we should ask you. Okay? That's what he said.
my day is made. You guys just made my day right now. Yeah, you actually, okay, you have more difficulties in speaking, you understand? In our water. But about honey making in our water. You see,
You said that we're making your life better.
nah, I said you understand. But you don't understand all of them, but you're trying. And I said, well done. GCK. Hmm? GCK. GCK. GCK, well done. Keep it up.
How do you say your name in Igbo?
Oh, Adama.
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 I will call you that. I know what your silver when XP is
my name, my Igbo name is Adama, yeah? Adama. That's a beautiful daughter.
Ola is XP.
Ola, no, Ola. Olocha is XP.
Olocha.
No, not XP, sorry. Olocha is silver. Olocha.
What's XP?
Do you know what XP? XP is not actually.
Odima.
Adema. Do you know what Adema is?
Yes.
What's that?
I'm fine.
No, okay. Adema is it's good. Adema. I'm fine. Adema.
I'm great.
Adema. I'm fine. I know more for my.
I'm having fun.
I'm fine. Not at the moment.
So I like the dragon on the top.
Ooh, you like it?
Yeah. It looks like a toy. It looks like a coin that has a dragon.
It is it? I don't even know what is there.
What does dragon mean in Igbo?
Dragon. I don't even know. Because we don't have dragon in Igbo. But you want to know what lion is?
Yeah. In Igbo.
Igbo.
They have lions.
Yeah, we have.
What is Igbo in Igbo language?
Igbo.
That's what they call it.
Yeah, Igbo.
What is it in
Asusu
English?
Igbo language is
So what
Asusu
is it
Igbo.
in English? What's
Igbo? Is Igbo.
Igbo.
Igbo is Igbo everywhere. Igbo, the unique
Igbo
tribe.
is the only name that it has.
Igbo. Igbo Ndioma.
What does
Do you know what Igbo Ndioma is?
Igbo is a beautiful place.
No, do you know what Igbo Ndioma means?
No.
Igbo. Beautiful people of Igbo tribe, yeah. Beautiful means Mma.
Ma.
Mma. Beautiful. Imarama. You're
What does
beautiful.
cane mean in English?
What was that?
What does cane mean?
Cane. What was that?
Cane. What does cane mean?
What's cane? Cane? Like cane?
Yeah.
Cane you use in flogging? Oh,
Is that what you
apipia.
mean? Cane and flogging? Yeah.
Apipia.
Apipia.
And some people call it otale.
Otali.
Pia. Apia. Boy. Nyamakagi kan pia in your watakagi.
Oh, you said to bring your hand so I can beat.
I can flog you. Yeah, but apipia. Nyama apipia. Get me cane.
Yeah.
Nyama apipia. Nyama. Sakagi. Sakagi. Phew. Sakagi. Say. Sakagi. Nga
I
pia
felt like you were
Nga
gonna
pia
slap me. What does dancing mean in Igbo?
Dancing. Igbo egwu.
Igbo. What about
Igba.
singing?
No. Igba egwu.
Igbo.
Igba egwu. Gbara m egwu. Gbara m egwu. Dance for me. Gbara m egwu.
It means dancing. So
Dance
can
for
you
me.
sing one of your songs in Igbo?
Yeah. Okay.
Back in the bus, back in the bus.
That kind of voice is not Igbo. Okay. One of my songs we said. Okay. I say it in Igbo to me then. Igaguru ofu egwu
Ola,
n'Igbo.
Ola, tell me.
I've told you what to say. Gụọrọ m otu egwu gị n'Igbo. Gụọrọ m
Gorom,
otu egwu gị n'Igbo. Otu egwu gị na Igbo.
Otu,
Goro, okay, was it Gorom Ewu Igbo? Gorom Ewu Igbo. Ewu Igbo. Uwa. Angoragi. You want me to say
what does coin mean in Igbo?
Could you chill? I'm just one person, okay?
So come
Let me
answer
do this
your
and I'll do your
question.
own, okay? Okay. Chukuma kamsi biwa narekele.
You said my name.
Onyes kamsi. Yeah, that's your name. Onyesi wadeline narotito.
He said the in delivery.
And then
Delivery.
afunwe lotana narekele. Ọkwagi sinne dere nwa daddy narotito.
He said daddy.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm singing to God like yeah. Chukuna Rekele.
Jesus
God
is
I'm
our
singing to.
Father.
I'm singing to God. Ọkwimane kenonya kidi. Ọgbọta ọzọ. Eto odike na nke o mere eme. O mekwa ọzọ. Ifeami na-emere bụ anụma apụghị ịkọ ya. Igbo ọma na-eche ndụ. Yeah. Do you know what that is? I said that God is one finger that knows where
That's good.
my back is scratching me. You know, you can even use one
You can use this.
finger to scratch. Yeah,
You can
you
use
use
that.
yeah, you go
can
for
use one
back.
finger to scratch somebody
No,
else's
but
back,
you wouldn't
not
know.
your back.
You wouldn't know if your back is scratching you, right? You go for back scratcher, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right? Because you can't even scratch your own back. But God, yeah? Chiku.
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 Chiku is my name.
Is know your name?
Come see your Chiku.
Come see your Chiku. That is how I pleaded or how I begged God. That is
That's
how
what
we
his
answered.
name means.
Yeah. Course is so Chiku. How it pleases God. That is your name. You see? So what I was saying, I said that God is one finger that knows where
Your back is scratched.
my back is scratching me. Like if you want me to scratch your back now, you know I wouldn't know. Even when I'm using all my fingers and I'm scratching, I wouldn't know where it's scratching me.
Yeah.
But God just know the exact points to scratch. Just one finger. That's what I said there.
Silver. What does coin mean in Igbo?
What?
Coin. What does coin mean in Igbo?
Coin like money.
Coin.
Coin
Coin.
like money. Coin you use in buying things.
Money.
Is that it? Is that what you're asking?
Yeah.
Okay. In Igbo, coin, ego.
Ego.
Actually, money is ego, right?
Ego.
But we don't really use coin in Igbo. So in Nigeria, so I don't know what they
So you
call
use
coin.
naira.
Yeah, the coin is still naira though. But coin. Ego. They
But
have
if you
ego
have
ayero.
If you have 50 naira, how much is that in England? 50 pounds.
No way.
Small.
No, did you know 1 pound? 1 pound is like 450 naira.
450 naira.
So
Is
England,
that a lot? In Igbo.
it's not really a lot actually, but you see, just 1 pound.
So what?
So it's really a lot actually, but you can't really use it to get
Egg.
something. Egg.
What does egg mean?
Egg is aqua.
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 Achometa aqua.
I want to eat egg.
Achometa aqua.
I want to eat egg.
Nyem aqua.
I like egg.
Woo! Give me egg. Yeah.
Silver.
With 3 aqua.
Get me some egg.
That's correct. You're getting it. What is it? Why are you calling me?
Because I want to know what lots of egg mean.
Aqua. Like we want to say something to give you plenty egg, like 2 eggs. Wetere m akwa abụọ. Abụọ is 2.
I want
Give me 2 eggs.
Yes. Wetere m akwa abụọ.
Give me 2 eggs.
Give me eggs.
Achọrọ m akwa abụọ.
Give me
I want 2 eggs.
Correct. Nye m akwa abụọ.
What did you say?
Where's my egg?
Nye m akwa abụọ.
Give me some eggs.
2 eggs.
Give me 2 eggs.
Okay. 3.
Give me 3 eggs.
3 is atọ.
Ato.
Atọ.
Ato.
Atọ.
Ato.
1 is otu.
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 4 is ano.
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 What's funny?
Ano.
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 Nye m akwa anọ.
Give me 4 eggs.
5 is ise.
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 Ise is 5. 6 is isi.
Isi.
Nye m akwa isi.
Give me 6 eggs.
Correct.
Yes.
Wetere m akwa isi.
I want 6 eggs.
Get me 6 eggs. Okay. 7 is asa.
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 It's,
Am I still on your body?
say it in Igbo. Achọrọ m ka ị kuru m.
Achoro means I want to.
I want. Achọrọ m is I want. Is it kurunu m biko?
Biko is please.
Yeah. Kurunu m biko.
Carry me please. Carry me please.
Say it in Igbo. What? I can kurum. Kurum.
Biko.
Kurunum biko.
Kurunum biko.
Biko kurutunum.
Biko kurutumu.
Kurutumo.
Kurutumu.
Biada kurugi.
Thank you.
Oh, big boy, you're so strong.
Thank you. I know what you said like that.
Thank you, Dalo.
Like, they said that I should say darling. Darling.
Not darling.
It's
Dalo.
Dalo. Dalo. Dalo.
Dalo.
The same thank you to me and so well. Yeah.
Imela.
Imela.
Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Dalo. Dalo kwao. Dalo. Dalo rienne is thank you so much. Say it.
Thank you so much.
No.
Dalorine.
Say it.
Dalorine.
Dalo rienne.
Dalorine.
Dalo rienne. Yeah, that's cool. You guys are doing a great job. Thank you. Now I'm no longer sad. Now when someone do something for you, you thank the person. Dalo. Imela. When you see someone doing something, Imela.
Imela. Whole family kiss.
Do you know what kiss is in Igbo?
Kiss ma.
Nsusu.
Isusu.
Nara nsusu. Nara nsusu. It's okay.
You want to eat her.
Nara nsusu.
Naran susu.
Nara is steak.
Naran steak.
Were is steak.
Naran steak.
Were.
Where?
Weterem is get.
Get.
Get. Weterem iha. Get that thing. Don't get. I'm just trying to tell you. Mhm.
What is
You want to say someone is
naked?
naked? If you want to say someone is naked, like come see water.
That means comes is naked.
Yes, come see water. Iboto. That's refer. Iboto.
It means that my bum is too big.
No, it means you're naked. Go and wear clothes. Go and everything. You're naked. Come see water. Come see oboto. Oboto come see. Come see oboto. Oboto come see. Oboto. Oboto. That's it. Oboto. Are you shy? Hmm?
Are you shy?
Look at this boy. Why are you holding him? Ngatagano.
Can you say something in Igbo and we can guess what it is in English?
Ngatagano.
I will eat some egg.
Did you hear Aqua there? No. Ngatagano now.
I'm going to flog you now.
I'm gonna bite you.
I don't get by you always bite me.
But you beat me yesterday. Now you're running away. Itaramano yesterday.
You bit me yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
You bit me last time yesterday.
Itaramano. Onyahu. Onyahu is yesterday.
Yesterday.
Onyahu. Say it.
No.
Onyahu.
No.
Onyahu. Hmm?
Do you want to eat?
Chorim, do you want to die?
No. Mba.
Mba.
Because I always have no. Because I mostly have the bad time, so I don't want to go to hell.
You don't want to go to hell.
N is or S. Is S. It's yes. It's on my head.
Yes.
My God, that was from.
Mba.
No. No. Mba.
So,
No.
it's
That's how
your
this is how you say it in French. Mba.
So
And this
it's
is
your
how you say yes. Oui.
Oui,
Comme ci,
c'est moi.
comme ça.
Oui, c'est moi.
Comme ci, comme ça. Oui, c'est moi. Kind of. I'm not sure. Maybe.
Okay. Una baliala.
I'm tired.
You
I'm
guys-
sleeping.
You guys have tried. Una baliala.
Then Dolly.
Dalo.
Dalo.
You want to say thank you, right?
Yeah.
That's what it is, Dalo.
Dalo.
Dareze. Bam, 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 dareze. Bam, 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 nalo.
You're the best big sister.
Nalo. Garanza chulo. Omareze tuwa. Ezegebu. Ezegabu.
I'm gonna get there.
Ezegabo mungene manu.
I'm gonna die.
Bamba bamba.
I'm gonna die.
Bamba bamba.
I'm gonna die.
See your boxers.
I
Come
have
on.
a question.
You don't know how to wear boxers.
Oh,
Imeti akwa mpe.
You don't know how to put on boxers.
Imagi eti akwa.
I have a question. How is
Okay.
it?
Enwere m ajụjụ. That's I have a question. Enwere m ajụjụ. Enwere m ajụjụ. Achọrọ m ịjụ gị ajụjụ.
What does glitter mean in Igbo?
What's that?
What is glitter in
Ihe na-egbuke egbuke.
Igbo?
Ihe na-egbuke egbuke.
I have a question.
Alright.
How is
Enwere m ajụjụ.
You speak like
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Ajuju.
Enwere m ajụjụ. Okay? Mm-hmm.
Look, how are the houses like in Nigeria?
How else are they like? They're more cute than the ones here.
I really like your house.
And they're bigger. They have bigger rooms. London, they don't have big
If you
rooms.
move to a new house, that means we have a bigger place
They
and
have
have lots
bigger-
of friends. He
Even
said
them.
that I'm so heavy.
Yes, you're so heavy. Inanya. Iburibu is
You
what?
said my sister's so heavy.
No. Iburibu is you're fat.
I'm not fat. You are.
You're fat.
I'm fat.
Let her
I'm
forgive
not
her.
fat. I'm not
Ah,
fat.
fuck Iburibu, look at that foggy.
You have a fat tummy and you also have a fat belly button.
Now you're taking it inside.
None of us were born with the same
Just
kind
please
of
let
belly
me hide,
button,
just
clumsy hands,
please
or
let me
tummy
hide.
hands.
Come see Ebuka. Isi ga Ebuka.
Everyone in this
Oh, yeah.
family
Isi
has
ga
a
Ebuka.
flat
Oh
tummy.
yeah.
It's
Isi
a
ga Ebuka. Oh yeah. Isi ga Ebuka. Oh yeah. Makankewa. Oh yeah. Makankewa. Oh yeah. Okewa. Oh yeah. Lorente. Oh yeah. Lorente. Oh. Lorente. Oh yeah. Lorente. Oh yeah. Lorente. Oh yeah. Lorente. Isi ga Ebuka. Oh yeah. Isi ga Ebuka. Oh yeah. Makankewa. Oh yeah. what Isiukwu is?
No.
But I told you.
Kamsi.
Isiukwu is big head.
Big head.
Isigi Buribu.
You have a big head.
Isintakere is small head.
Small head. I have a small head. I have small head.
Isigi Dintakere.
I have a small head.
Would you want to have a small head? I don't want to have small head.
I don't want to have a tiny little
Tiny
head.
wheezy
You know these are how some of my friends join. Big head but small body.
That's like cartoon.
Big head but small body.
Isiukwu na ahon takere. Your body is ahon.
Trim.
Ahon. Isi. Ahon. Isiukwu.
Your body is fat.
No. It's what I said is what you said. Big head, small body. Isiukwu ahon takere. You are Isiukwu. Mana ahon ge din takere.
Silver. What does flower mean in Igbo?
Or flower.
Flower.
Okoko osisi.
Okoko sisi.
Okoko.
What do you say someone is a course in Igbo? How do you say the whole
Ụwa niile.
Ụwa niile.
Ụwa niile.
Ụwa niile.
Ụwa niile.
Ụwa niile.
Ụwa niile.